Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself, your name, age, education, qualification, and hobbies. My name is Kirti Raut. My father name is Gnaneshwar Raut. He is a farmer. My mother name is Anita. She is a housemaker. I have one brother and one sister. I belong to Lowey. I belong to Lowey. My age is 18 running. Which program do you want to join and why do you want to join this program? I am joined to foundation because it is an important career. How do you cannot about the BPO retail industry? BPO means business process outsourcing. The another word is BPO in call center. Why do you think you can do you will the BPO retail industry? Describe some qualities you have that will help you in this industry. I am hardworking. I am hardworking. I am patient. I am friendly. English reading. Mamta was 16 years old. Once day she was standing in her balcony. She was reading and sipping coffee. She saw Wasim come toward her house. Wasim recognized and greeted her warmly. Wasim was Mamta's childhood friend. Mamta asked Vinay to get him a glass of water. Vinay was Mamta's brother. He was 6 years old. He was playing with his friend in the balcony. Will playing his ball on under the table in the balcony. Mamta loved to cook. She loved preparing jelly ice cream. She learned preparing jelly ice cream for her mother. Mamta was also interested in reading books. She would go by one went to the library to read books. She liked reading books which have good value. सुशील और सुशांत दोस्त थे. सुशील और सुशांत दोस्त थे. सुशील पार्क में सुशांत के साथ खेल रहा था. सुशांत साइकिल चलाना सीखने की कोशिश कर रहा था. सुशील एक घोड़े पर सवारी कर रहा था. वहाँ सड़क पर था. विक्रम और विनोद दोस्त थे. विक्रम विनोद से भी अधिक बुद्धिमान था. विक्रम विनोद एक ही गांव से थे. Extempore. First topic, my hobbies. I like watching TV. She is watching TV. TV is the option for time pass. TV is the strong material in knowledge. TV मधून आपल्याला भरपूर माहिती मिळते. टीव्हीतून डिस्कवरी पाहिल्यामुळे प्राण्यांची अधिकाधिक माहिती मिळते. प्राण्यांची माहिती मिळाल्यामुळे आपण प्राण्यांची काळजी घेऊ शकतो. टीव्हीतून डान्स शो, रियालिटी शो, डान्स टॅलेंटेड शो पाहायला आवडतात. टीव्हीत मूवीज पाहायला आवडतात.